age from Kuma Clarin Bohol. She is the daughter of Delos Riquelme and Mrs. Jane Vita and Riquelme. She wants to become a teacher someday.
Smile, kuya. Smile, ya.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us give a big round of applause to our most popular scout and GSP Princess 2024. Most popular scout 2024 is Henry A. Migre from Troop 521. He is 10 years of age from Candalit, Clarin, Bohol. He is the son of Mr. Albert and Mrs. Joy Migre, and he wants to become an engineer someday.
And Mutya ng Girl Scout 2024, Mary Sophia O'Loy from Troop Magnolia. She is 8 years old from Candalit, Clarin, Bohol. The daughter of Mr. Michael Leroy and Mrs. Ami O. Eroy. She wants to become a policewoman someday.
And for this moment, let us take a last glance for the final walk of our most popular Scout 2023 and Butyanang Girl Scout 2023. Most popular Scout 2023 is Courtney Rain Wahid from Troop 18. He is 12 years of age from Kumang, Clarin, Bohol. He is the son of Rosemary Wahid, and he wants to become a doctor someday.
And Mutya ng Girl Scout 2023, Nieva May A. Mulati from Troop Sampaguita. She is 11 years old from Candalit, Clarin, Bohol. The daughter of Mr. Rafael and Mariam May A. Mulati. She wants to become a lawyer someday.
Nak.
Okay, for the picking of sashes, may I request the troop leaders and to be assisted by parents